Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Kia Rio. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Kia has less than 173,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.